Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. In this video, we're going to make witch's brew. This drink can be alcoholic, but we're going to make this wholesome without alcohol so the kids can try them. For a small batch of witch's brew, we're going to need the following ingredients: 3-ounce packed lime jello, a can of lemon lime soda chilled, 2 small cans of pineapple juice chilled. To make this an adult drink, you can replace one of the pineapple juice can with half a cup of vodka. Prepare jello per package instructions. Pour gelatin mix into a bowl. Pour a cup of boiling water and stir the gelatin mix for 2 minutes until it is completely dissolved. To speed the process, we added ice to a half cup of cold water. We're going to stir it into the gelatin until slightly thickened and remove the unmelted ice. Refrigerate for 30 to 90 minutes or until firm. The jello is ready. To break them apart into small pieces so they will fit into a straw. I'm gonna pour the jello in the pitcher. Add the pineapple juice to the pitcher. For an adult beverage, you can substitute one of the pineapple juice can with a half a cup vodka. When it is ready to serve, we're going to add the lemon lime soda. Witch's brew. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out the playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and other food related videos. Happy Halloween!